Hey everybody, how's your day? I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we are going to see how to iterate over dictionaries. Okay? So before looking at it, I would like to show you how to create dictionaries in different ways that I didn't show you in the previous episode. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say data with bracket. Uh, let's see name and comma last name. Hey, uh, just pass the very fast data into the digit of the. Yeah, this is also available. Okay, and another way to do that is dictionary first equal to r last name value. Hey, this one also okay. Okay, so let's look at about how to loop over dictionaries. Looping over dictionaries. It depends on what data you need to from a dictionary. Looping can be done in several different ways to extract data. You may want to retrieve only keys, or retrieve only values, or retrieve both key and values. This session will cover about the different ways to extract data in which you can pair with other data retrieval techniques in the previous lesson. So before we do that, we need to create dictionary like contact information as an example, as a sample. Name, last name, A, age, 29, height, 5'7". Okay, we have created the contact information dictionary. If we want to retrieve only keys, it's also fine. For key in contact information, let's print the key. This way is also possible. But if you want to retrieve only keys by default in explicit way, we just need to put dot keys. This is also fine. Okay. So if we want to retrieve only the values, for value in contact information dot values instead of keys, since we want to print only value. So we got values. But what if we want to retrieve both keys and values? It is also possible, like for key and value in contact information dot items. Print. Let's use upstream and pass the key and pass the value. We got both key and values right here. So what does this dot items bring us? this gives us about the dictionary item. That's why we got key and value for this looping, for this result. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you are all doing well. So see you next time. So bye bye.